to the mix, and on the mix we have Shani. Now Shani is on her live, and there are, some people commenting, and she's speaking about what they're commenting, and she's saying that, people are commenting on her wig, and she's saying that her wig is for $800 and that this was bought by the person who she called the man. So she's saying that most people, they're not able to get an $800 wig, and she was able to get that, and other stuff. So go ahead and check out the video and see what she has to say. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always, and have yourselves a beautiful evening.
And then everything me come back. But some of them girl here really and truly realistic. We are talk realistic. Them don't in a no class or category. Them not in a no class or no category if you come and talk about me. Reality speaking. Some of them breed. Pitney. Not even what pitney. No make you want live. Eh? Not even a pitney. The man no want to, no man no want to know. And that's why I'm not sad and I take it out for me. Oh God. No want me to ball. Ball, no want me ball. You would never see the day come. Never. I rather come off of my life and go ball than for shed the water make you see. All you, what's name? Nasty Melina. Or whatever them name you. If your life sad in the ass, you never know some could have read people. Me a psychic. You have a baby father when I stop beat you. The baby father not stop beat you. As you come off as me end my life, the man I go slap you in your nasty face. You come and style me, nasty girl. Me profit over on your life now. Me I go read on the file. Me I go read on the file today. Me I go read on the file. Nasty Melina. You know, stop take your friend, man. Why? When you gonna stop? Push your friend upon a live if you hear. Because me not walk and hold on me and talk. Me I see right through your girl. Me I read your life like a book. Me I read your life like a book. What a girl name? Shani. Shani, your life's sad. Your life's sad. I'm sorry for you. Yeah, look a man for marry you from when? I'll know. I'll know. The man where you want are your best friend him there with you. Thank God for me to the pan alive, yeah. Nasty girl. Nasty girl. Don't worry about the flies. I am outside. It's natural. Flies outside. Natural. Next. 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 Hold on. Add her. We are called dirty girl. I want to read somebody else's file because you know come out strong for me. So me I go come out strong for Uno. You can't cause oh please. I think everybody know that by now, sweetie. I think everybody know that. Come with something else. You know, I feel be disrespectful for me say when me read you know. Me not gonna be rude, you know. If If you're not nice to me, I don't have a reason to disrespect uno. But me have to see uno a bit like negative. Because this is a black party and me ready for black summer uno. Me ready, really and really truly ready for black uno. Don't play with me. Where negative comment there? Me say to myself, say, may I have fun with you today? May I play with you on my little finger today? May I play with you on my little finger today? Damn tegerig. My eyelash is perfectly fine. Thank you, Marley British. I appreciate it. The ear no look 200. Me not gonna be a hypocrite, but some of you can't wear them type of ear, yeah. Some of you can't wear them type brand of ear, yeah. Me not ask Christ. Almost 3 years me have my ear. My ear still nice. All it need is little silicone mix and purple shampoo, and we good to go again. Some of you in no class, no man na look pa uno and buy uno $800 wig. Ask me how much the man pay for my wig. I don't know, a little bit of money for my wig. So anyway, I want to wear it for my head. It's still worth the $800 and it's still expensive. It don't take away the value. Which man I look pound or buy on $800 US dollar wig? Which man? Which girl can say them stress me out? Must a fucking clown. And if them man say them not have it, them have to do without. I'm glad I'm not depend on no man again. Whoa. Hey. You can't intimidate me. You don't feel one type of way, don't, because you don't feel like someone that's sad. You can't break me. You can't make me sad. You can't make me sad. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete. Sad bad. What a girl name? Oh, your black car. Me did one class her and read her file. Me did want to read a girl file because me not catch her name, but me see the Robinson at the end. Robinson. Hi. Oh, me sorry for you. Me pick it up in the spirit, girl. Me sorry for you. The time you take for my life. The rent money where you owe your landlord. When you go pay it? When you go pay your landlord, girl? Them a plan to throw you out. But you find time for the part of my life I try to class me. Oh, me actually sorry for you. God know me sorry for you. Oh God. I swear to God, people, me not even a pretend. One young girl just come to my life a while ago, a class me, and me pick her up. And you see when me pick up, it done good. That girl. That's why I tell you, when sit down in my business, I want business that spoil me. Boy, I don't know. It's bad. It's bad. Bad. Yeah, it's my wig. If I wear it dirty, my business. Who cares? Nobody. Ugh.